What's the meaning of Aran jumper? Aran jumper. Aran jumper.
Aran jumper. Aran jumper. An Aran jumper is a type of sweater that originated from the Aran Islands off the west coast of Ireland. It is typically made from wool and features various intricate patterns, including cables, diamonds, and ropes. The sweater was traditionally worn by fishermen to keep warm in cold, damp weather conditions. Today, the Aran jumper has become a popular fashion item and is often associated with a rustic, outdoor lifestyle. Its distinct design and history have made it a symbol of Irish heritage and craftsmanship.